Okay, and the next exercise we're going to do is modified floor block. If you can lie down on the floor, face down. Okay, place both of your arms 90 degrees out to the side, resting your forearms onto the box. Good, yeah. Now put your toes together, heels legs drop to the sides, relax your bum, relax your head onto the floor. Okay, yeah, forehead onto the floor. Well, no, the chair comes first. Okay, and now just nice and relaxed, deep breathing. Okay, try not to squeeze your arms into the blocks, just nice and relaxed. I need to check that you have 90 degrees. You have to adjust one shoulder slightly. Okay, and nice and deep breathing, and hold for as long as on your neck. Okay, and